Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Feelings Faces chart. What is a Feelings Face chart? A Feelings Face chart is used in psychology, counselling, and therapy, as well as educational settings, to help individuals identify and express their emotions more effectively. It is a visual tool that consists of a series of facial expressions representing different emotions, ranging from basic feelings like happiness and sadness to more complex emotions such as confusion and embarrassment. Each emotion is depicted through a simple and easily recognisable facial expression, making it accessible to people of all ages. The chart helps to improve emotional intelligence and communication skills, as well as facilitating self-awareness to help professionals better understand and empathise with the individual's emotional state. Therapists can guide clients in exploring and discussing their emotions more openly in order to grow and improve psychological well-being. Educators can also find this chart in classrooms to create a safe and supportive environment where children can share their feelings and experiences without fear of judgment or misunderstanding. As a result, it's commonly used by therapists, psychologists, and educators. How to use a Feelings Faces chart. The first step is to fill in the client information and then read the instructions carefully. After consulting the emotions chart, the client is then asked to rate the intensity of each emotion on a scale from 1 to 10. The final step is to complete the assessment questions following the evaluation. To view a sample assessment of the chart, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the chart for free. You can also access the chart through the Carepatron platform. All you have to do is type in the keyword to find the note and then edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare and wellbeing related videos.